My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekar classes. This is lecture number 98. In this lecture, we will try to understand advance decline ratio. What is this advance decline ratio? The advance decline ratio, that is ADR, is a market breadth indicator that measures the overall strength of stock market by comparing the number of advancing stocks to declining stocks over a given period. It helps traders and investors to assess the underlying market trend and momentum. Let us try to understand definition. What is the formula? Formula is ADR ratio, number of advancing stocks by number of declining stocks. What is this number of advancing stocks? What does it mean? Stocks that closed higher than their previous closing price. What is declining? Declining stocks? Stocks that closed lower than their previous closing price. Let us try to interpret it, how it works. If ADR is greater than 1, more stocks are advancing than declining, which indicates bullish market. The sentiment is bullish market sentiment. More stocks are rising. What is the meaning of ADR less than 1? More stocks are declining than advancing, indicating bearish market sentiment, which suggests more stocks are declining. What does it mean? If ADR is approximately equal to 1, the market is neutral, showing no clear trend. What is the use? How it is important means it helps in understanding market sentiment. It is used to spot potential reversals in the market. Let us try to understand this with simple example. Suppose, let me assume there are 1200 stocks are advanced, 800 stocks are declined. What is my ADR ratio? 1200 by 800. What is the interpretation? More stocks are gaining than losing, indicating bullish sentiment. That's what we were saying, isn't it? If ADR ratio is greater than 1, here 1.5 greater than 1, bullish trend. If ADR ratio is less than 1 means bearish trend. If it is equal to, approximately equal to 1 means neutral or range bound market. Just if you see this is one of the famous website, Nifty Trader. I request all of you to go through this particular one. Here you can see advance and decline. Just see here, it is showing time. It is related to Nifty 50. That is important. How many advances are there? 34. And how many declines? 18. Isn't it? This graph, I request all of you to browse this particular website. It is useful. Just see here, if I see what happens, here both are meeting. Advances and declining meeting means number of advances is equal to number of declining. Just I request you to explore this particular website so that you will get clear cut intuition. Let us try to understand limitations of AD ratio. It does not consider trading volume, means that is a one drawback. It does not consider trading volume, does not consider the magnitude of stock price movements. It can be affected by extreme movements in a few large stocks. It works best when combined with other indicators. Works best when combined with other technical indicators like moving averages or relative strength index. Why ADR is important means market trend confirmation. ADR helps confirm trends seen in major indices like S&P 500, Dow Jones. Diverse signals. What is this diverse signals? If ADR is declining while the index is rising, it may signal weakness in the broader market. Short-term trading tool. Traders use ADRs to gauge the momentum and identify potential trend reversals. The ADR ratio is a useful tool to gauge market sentiment. Works well when combined with other technical indicators. It helps traders to make informed investment decisions. The advanced decline ratio is a useful tool for understanding market breadth and identifying potential shifts in the market. There are, as we are saying, just it works well when combined with other technical indicators. It helps traders to make informed decisions. I request all of you just browse this particular website. This particular website is very easy. Nifty Trader. This is niftytrader.in, where you can find advanced decline ratio. Just try to understand this particular graph. This is easy graph. Anybody can understand this graph. There are other platforms where you can check this this particular advanced decline ratio. There is something like Trading View. You can check these things in Trading View website. Even you can search it market in out. There is something like marketinout.com. Here also you can search stockcharts.com. There is something like stockcharts.com. There are different places. There is something like barchart.com. barchart.com. There are different places where you can check this one traders. There is something like traders cockpit. I can say this is something like traders cockpit.com. There are different places where you can check this one, this particular advanced decline ratio. Yes, this is basically Nifty Trader, isn't it? This anyway, I will browse this particular website frequently in future. Lectures also. This is simple and straightforward lecture. Thank you so much. If there is an issue, please keep a comment.